Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing a Shein haul. It has been ages that I have done a Shein haul, so let's start the video. So the very first dress is what I'm wearing right now. It's a beautiful flower print dress. It screams summer. It's perfect for like beach day picnics, or if you are going out for a snack or something. This is so easy breezy, so lightweight, like feels perfect for like stepping out. You can style it up with a hat. It will make a very perfect summer look. Next we have this stunning electric blue sort of dress. This is a ruched dress that adds a bit of fun to the dress, and this look, like this gives a very flattering look to the waist, as you can see in the video. I really love the color. This feels so vibrant. High-low hemline, like it adds a little bit of sophistication and little bit of flair and look to the dress. Although it's a very simple dress on its own, but still it is so stylish. This can easily become such a beautiful evening dress. Style this with a very beautiful strappy heels, take a purse, add like little bit of add beautiful delicate earrings, or you can add like long hanging earrings as well. It will elevate the look so much, and it will look so perfect for the evening look. Even if you are going out for a wedding party or something, this will look so nice. Okay, so moving on to the next dress is this one. Oh my god, I'm in love with this dress. I have already worn it twice, once to a birthday party and once to Wonderland. It is sleeveless, and that this wrap design that is going on around the waist area, it gives a very flattering look. This dress is perfect for like, even if you can like style it up, amp it up, or you can keep it casual as well. When I was going for a birthday party, I added a pair of heels, I added earrings and like a good beautiful purse, and I was good to go. And when I was going to Wonderland, I paired it with shoes, little bit of that sling bag, and it was like looking perfect. It's a perfect dress that will like work in every way possible. Okay guys, let's move on to the next dress. Is this tube dress. I absolutely love it. I don't own a tube dress. I own few halter necks and all, but I don't own a like proper tube dress, and I was like so intrigued. Look at the pattern of this one. This is so flowy, so breezy. It's a perfect beach dress. I live nearby to beach, and I'm like I need to wear this ASAP. So I'm thinking, let me style this up. This is such a staple for everyone's wardrobe, because even if you are not comfortable wearing any tube top or anything, you can definitely go for a very thin sort of material of like cover up or anything like a jacket, and it will surely elevate your look. I'm done with the dresses, and I got some beautiful amazing bottoms. I got shorts, I got skirt, I got pants as well. I thought I will keep a variety. Let me show you the skirt first. I absolutely love the skirt. Look at this. The color is so nice. I already have a black skirt and like different colors, but I thought let me add a brown one to my collection. So this is a proper beige colored skirt. It's like till knee, little bit above the knee. It has pockets, and it's like very flattering. It gives a very flattering silhouette to the body, which I like. It goes perfectly with a like beautiful snug top. Next I have this shorts. This is so gorgeous, so nice. I like bought this to wear in like water when we are stepping in water, because the material is like it will get dried very quickly. So that's like a thing, and the pattern over here is so beautiful. It's a very wide leg sort of short, so you have to wear some short underneath as well. So that's what I will do. But this looks so pretty. This gives a look of a skirt itself. It's stylish, it's trendy, it's comfortable. What more do we need? And plus like the links and the prices will be flashing on the screen as well as in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Next I have these bottoms. Like look at these bottoms, they are so nice. These are wide legs pants. So these are perfect, like if you are like if someone is coming at your home and you don't want to dress up too much yet you want to look presentable, this is something you can definitely go for. Like very easy peasy breezy sort of pants with a top. This looks so nice. Even with a t-shirt it will look so perfect for a loungewear. Even if you are going out for a picnic or you are going out for grocery shopping, like running errands, or for a beach party or picnic or something, this will look so perfect. And this has a knot at the side which like adds a little bit of oomph to this pants, and I absolutely love it. This is so wide leg that makes it so stylish. I have this purse, like I didn't even remember it. I have a same pattern white purse already, and I didn't even thought like I ordered it again. So I'm very transparent with you guys. I'm always upfront. So I will be going to return this. The only difference, the bag I have is it has a gold chain and it has a white strap. So I will be returning this and I will be getting another white bag, because like white bag goes with each and every one of my outfit. So yeah, I love this bag. This is so nice, but I already have this one. Lighting is so bad today. It's raining outside and so gloomy. But this is it for this video, guys. I really hope you like this Shein haul which I'm doing after ages. I loved each and every piece. They were like so unique and stylish, and they serve as a wardrobe staple because you can definitely like style it up, style it down. Do let me know which outfit or which piece was your favorite. I am not able to select one, but I loved each and every one of them. But if I have to, I think I will go with that beige skirt. But do let me know which piece you like the most. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to my other channel as well, because I'm posting lots of vlogs over there. So I will be styling and like showing all these outfits in my vlog channel when I'm like wearing that wrap dress I showed you. I'm going to Wonderland. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.